Presenting Pretty Lanisha's channel, Hair, Fashion, Beauty.
Hey lovelies, so a lot of people were saying that they wanted to see if my hair revert back in my last video. Well, not a lot, just I think I saw one comment, to be honest with you. So I'm not gonna wash my hair, but I am doing a wash and go for my maternity pictures. So I'm basically going to take out my hair, and it's still straight from, well, it's gonna be crinkly once I take out these braids. But I'm gonna take out my hair and we're going to wet it, put some leave-in conditioner and some Eco Styler gel in it, and we're gonna have our wash and go, and you'll see if it curls up. So let's get started.
So guys, I want to try this like soak with me, get ready video. I'm doing a wash and go on my hair, and I'm gonna do my makeup in this video. So I decided to do a wash and go because I have African fabric that I made an outfit for this maternity shoot, and basically I'm like, okay, let me wet my hair, put some leave-in conditioner in and some gel, because gel usually reverse my hair back anyway, and that would avoid me washing my hair twice in the same week. So this is like knocking two birds out with one stone. Like, you get to see my hair revert back in real time, and I don't have to wash my hair twice. And the only time I have to wash my hair is basically after I take my photos to do my protective style, because I'm not trying to deliver this baby with my natural hair out. I want to protect the styling, that I don't have to worry about my hair at all while being a mother to another newborn. So basically I just repeat the steps of the spraying the water, the leave-in conditioner, brushing it through, and the gel. And like I said, gel usually activates my curls alone, but I'm like, the water and the leave-in conditioner should speed it up, which it kind of did and it kind of didn't. But I still got great results, to be honest with you. Once my hair dried, my hair basically shrunk up, my curl pattern came out popping, and then I alternated between regular conditioner and the leave-in conditioner, because I thought the regular conditioner would speed up the process of my hair reverting back, but it didn't. It took the same amount of time as just putting the leave-in conditioner in. So yeah, and then I just scrunched up my hair to help the curls revert back quicker. But like I said, if you just leave it alone and sit, the water, the product, and stuff like that is basically going to make your hair revert back anyways. Well, at least for mine. So I continue this process throughout the whole of my head, and my curls were popping. And I was super excited for that, and I couldn't wait to see how my curls turned out, because the thing that I was going for my maternity pictures, it was curly afro hair.
So this is what it is looking like so far. I'm gonna go let it dry, do my baby hair, and I'll be back.
Now I'm moving on to my makeup. I'm spraying my face with my little DIY primer that I made and patting that in. And I did not show how I did my eyebrows, just because I don't think I did them well. So I'm using some concealer to conceal them up, because they really need it. And I'm going to move on to concealing up under my eyes. And once I do that, I'm going to put my foundation on. And then after I do my foundation, I'm going to basically blend everything out and apply my Curve Fix powder to anywhere that I had concealer at. Then start doing my eye makeup. Now for my eye makeup, I was using the palette Wet n Wild All Natural, and I used the colors in this order: 5, 4, and 7. 5 went on my lid, 4 went in the crease, and then I topped the crease off with 7, and I just blended everything out. And then my camera cut off, so you don't see me finishing the rest of my makeup, but I'm going to tell you what I did right now. It's pretty simple, kind of like what I do in every tutorial that I do my makeup. I do a wing liner, so that's what I did, and I put on some lipstick from NYX, and the lipstick will be below. Besides that, you'll see my finished look at the end is very simple. I didn't do too much. I didn't want to be like over the top, and basically I really like how everything came out. I felt like my makeup could have came out better if I wasn't rushing, but you know, it is what it is. My hair is curly and popping. You see that? It's curly and popping, and I blow dried it dry. Yeah, guys, I blow dried it dry. Nobody had time to wait for it to air dry. My lips turned matte, and basically I will show you like a few pictures. I'll show you a few of my maternity pictures at the end, basically because I thought I was gonna record my cousin-in-law taking the pictures, but I end up forgetting, so yeah, that didn't happen. So y'all just seeing these pictures here. I think they came out very nicely. She did a very great job. And do you see how defined my hair is? Like, do you see that, guys? Do you see that? It's defined. I mean, I still got frizzy parts, but who cares? Anyway, I'm tying my hair in a bow because it goes with the outfit. And I didn't have to, but I wanted to. And this is my makeup and my hair. And these are my maternity outfit photos. And I made those. And if you want to see how I made them, comment below. And I'll put a tutorial out on how I made my outfit, my husband's outfit. And I think I filmed my son's. I'm not sure if I did. I'll put it in the video too. It'll probably be partial. But anyways, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media platforms. And make sure you share the video if you like it. Until next time, lovelies. Later.